Audio CD 2, Track 15, Unit 1, Car Trouble on the Freeway. Nick, Mary, and Lisa are traveling down the freeway when they have car trouble. Nick is behind the wheel. Do you hear a funny noise? I hear a hissing sound.
Oh, quit being paranoid. My car is running as sweet as an apple. Oh no, there's smoke coming from under the hood.
That's steam. Okay, there's no exit around. You'll have to pull over on the shoulder, Nick.
There's a wide spot up ahead.
Yeah, that's steam coming out of the hood. The car is overheated.
I'll go open the radiator cap and see if there is water in it.
No, Nick. You can't open the radiator cap while it's hot. It'll shoot up and hit you in the face. Wait until it has cooled down.
I'll put out the triangle and some flares. You guys stay away from traffic. Nick, this car is running as sweet as a lemon, not an apple.